was nice and peaceful here last night, um, but I didn't have internet. But this morning I do, so it does seem to be the issue um, when out in these more remote places is that usually the internet is better in the morning and not so great at night. So, other than that, it was nice and quiet, like I said. And I woke up early looking around for horses, still didn't see any. But I'm not going to give up. We're going to go back down the road that we went yesterday and find some horses. But first, I'm going to hike down into this canyon to see this wrecked car because I'm intrigued. I just can't help myself. So let's go. And I have proper footwear on, so we'll be okay. There it is. I'm intrigued. I need to go see it. Let's go. Well, going down isn't too challenging, but coming back up maybe. But check out this canyon. This view is pretty spectacular. All it needs are a couple of wild horses. Yeah, I think this has been here a long time. An awful long time. Now I realize why there are so many bullet casings up at my camp spot. Definitely looks like this is a favorite for target practice. I am not the only one to notice this car, obviously. A few hundred bullet holes in it. So I don't know. Do you think the person survived this crash? Oh, well, they took the engine out. So maybe this was just pushed off. This is more like maybe it's more like dumping rather than crashing. Maybe it was a bit of fun watching this thing go crashing down the hill. Either that or somebody came and took the engine, but I doubt it. Right? This bumper is in good condition still. That thing is sturdy. Big steel bumper. Yeah, the roof not so much. Well, the seats are gone too. Yeah. Pretty sure this was just purposely rolled down this hill. Oh. And what's that? Yikes. It's a jawbone. Okay. Is that a dog? Canine? Oh. Hey, buddy. Look at this guy. It's like, what do you do to my house? Get out of here. He doesn't seem to mind, actually. Anybody know what kind of car it is? Something from the 1970s? Maybe it's a Nova. Is this a Chevy Nova? My mom had a white Nova when I was a kid. This looks similar. Well, it's got seat belts. So actually, it may be newer than my mom's Nova. I don't think her Nova had seat belts. Yes, it was the 70s. So why the bones? I can't imagine an animal came right here and died. I'm assuming some strange human found some sort of pleasure by placing them here. Still no horsies. So I decided I'm going to head back to the spot where I saw them yesterday, far in the distance. Maybe there's a better chance that I'll see them again. I don't see anything today. No birds, no prairie dogs. Not sure why. Oh, there's a bird. Should we go off-roading? Well, I guess that's actually a road, but nah, we'll press on. If we don't find them. Okay, we're off-roading. Or my version of off-roading. But this is the area where I saw the horses yesterday. And I don't see any yet. But let's see if I can make it up that hill in front of us. Well, I knew I had to be close because the poop is quite fresh here. I could actually smell it. And here they are. Can you see them yet? There they are. Well, here's a little cluster here, which is pretty exciting. But look what else. If I can find it on there. Look at that. How many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There are like 15 of them. Awesome. How cool. Very exciting. This is why I knew they were close. Fresh poop piles. So I don't know how bashful they are. Or potentially dangerous, aggressive. I don't know. Wow, there's a whole bunch of them here too. Well, I definitely don't want to disturb them. They're right there. But I also don't want to get trampled or kicked or bitten. I'm gonna attempt to get a little closer, but not too much closer. I'm a little afraid of my sister's horses. I definitely should be a little afraid of wild horses, right? A little more afraid. How awesome is that? Wild horses. There's a little group of 3 out there, and they're taking turns rolling. So cute. But there's even more up ahead. They're everywhere. I think that's my road over there. This is kind of crazy. This just keeps going forever. I mean, it's beautiful. I'm not complaining, but I may have to live out here with the horses. You know, I've seen probably 3 or 4 little herds scattered way out in the distance. There's one out there. Well, there's 250 of them in this area, so suppose if you go back far enough like this, you're gonna see some. I think my road might just lead me right off of a cliff. Oh my goodness. Oh jeez. Ooh. I don't think I should go down there. I'm going to turn around. My better judgment says no. Now, if I had a Jeep, I would go. But I have a big, heavy house on wheels. I'm pretty sure my roadside assistance won't come out that far. So I decided to turn around. It was becoming a little too adventurous for me. Somebody sent out the search party. I have to say I'm very happy with the performance of my van on these roads specifically. It's pretty incredible. I just turned around in a very rocky, but also quite soft and full of sage bushes. And I was fine. It was amazing. I had a moment there where I was a little scared, but this thing can handle itself. You know, it's gotten stuck before, but it was in very soft, it wasn't even sand, it was just like sand powder and or dust. That's probably the best description. It was dust. And other than that, it's pretty amazing. It's pretty heavy, you know, like all this junk I have in here. And it really does pretty well. So quite a few of you recently have asked me about a van tour for my vehicle. And there is already one out there. Aja from Pandemonium did it. And I mean, it's a little older. Everything looks a lot newer and cleaner because I had only been on the road for a couple of months at that point when she did it. There are 3 elk. They ran across the road in front of me, but it was too far. And then I was trying to catch them closer, but they move really quickly when they want to. Haven't seen elk in a while. I did read online that there were elk around here, but... So seeing the wild horses today was huge for me. You know, I was starting to feel a little road weary and feeling like our destination was really far away, and yeah, just things weren't feeling great for me on the road, and I was questioning a lot of stuff. And today I feel inspired, and I feel grounded and invigorated, and that's all. Thank you to those beautiful, majestic creatures. And I'll see you later.